Hello everyone, thanks for showing up today. So we're going to do a little warm up. All right, we're going to break up in groups of twos. All right, we're just going to do a warm up where a player tosses the ball and another player catch. We're going to do that 5 times and then we rotate. So if I'm the tosser, I toss 5 times, catch 5 times, and then we rotate back and forth just to warm up. All right, just a hand-eye coordination warm up. All right, so we're going to break in groups of two. And what are we doing?
We are throwing the ball back and forth.
We're there's one tosser, and then there's one catcher. After 5 times, we rotate. What are we doing again, Edward?
Toss and catch.
Okay, and then how many times do we rotate after?
5.
All right, let's do it. So who wants to demonstrate with me?
I will.
You'll demonstrate with me? All right. Okay, so
What do you need me?
Quite simple. Here, everyone put their rackets down.
This is a non-racket exercise.
I'm the tosser. I'm the tosser with the catcher. Toss it back. Okay. All right. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Keep your eye on the ball. Keep your eye on the ball. It's very simple exercise, right? Okay. 1. That was 5 times. We're switching now with the tossing. Toss. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. All right. Let's break up in our groups. So you see this exercise. Hand-eye coordination.
Yeah. Mine can use a little improving.
All right, so let's see it. Who's going to be the tosser? Identify who's going to be the tosser, who's going to be the catcher, and rotate after 5 times.
I'm the
It's a
tosser.
great warm-up. Keep your eye on the ball, very important. There it is, ready position. This guy's going pro.
3.
Are we supposed
4.
to do one hand? Yes.
5. All right.
Okay, now switch.
Here we go.
All right, this is supposed to be warming up the eyes, warming up the mind. Zach, let me see. That's how your forehand looks. Bend those knees. Get ready. Ready position. All right. Okay.
Last one.
Ooh, awesome. All right. Next up, ATP tour. All right. Done. We're going to work on your forehands today. We're going to start with a first drill. It's called a forehand progression. Okay, so we need to bundle up in groups. How many people? We have 4 players here today. Okay, so we're going to do 2 groups. All right, and so groups of teams. All right, and we're going to work on your forehand progression. What are we going to work on today, Zach?
Forehand progression.
Okay,
Forehand progression.
All right, okay, so we're going to start off here at the net. All right, so I know we're all aspiring to be professionals, but we need to actually, does someone want to demonstrate with me? All right, let me also go over here. All right, so we're here at the net. Let me show you guys what we're doing here today. Zach, you're up. All right, so you want a short swing. Short swing, that's too much. Short swing. There it is. There it is. All right. All right. Too much swing, Zach. All right. Now you want to back it up to the baseline. To the service line. All right. Just a little bit more velocity there. All right. Okay. Nice, Zach. Now push it on back to the baseline. I want to see a little bit more fuller swing. There it is. Follow through. All right. Ready position? All right. Full swing. All right. So can someone explain to me what exactly we're going to do here?
Forehand progression.
Yes, where do we start?
At the net.
All right, then where we go after the net?
Service line.
And then,
Baseline.
yes. All right, so let's break up in our groups. All right, So we're going to play charge doubles. We're going to play a game, charge doubles. This consists of us breaking up in groups of 2. All right, and this game is going to be really fun. It's going to work on your serves and your returns, as well as your volley. All right. So what are we doing today? Charge doubles. Charge doubles. Thank you very much for listening. Okay. So who wants to demonstrate?
I will.
All right. Going now. So we need teams here. You be on my team. You guys. Someone's going with Woody. All right. So get the service line and baseline. Okay. All right. So each player, we get 4 serves. All right. After 4 serves, we rotate each time. All right. So I get 1 serve. I get 1 point, but we rotate every 4 points. Okay. So when I serve it, Woody, you're coming in. You charge the net. You return and charge the net. All right. Now charge. Side. Every 4 points is switching. No, there's that. Yeah. What are you in? Yep. All right. Perfect. Okay. So, can we see this drill done with Ed? All right, get on in there. All right. Let's see how everyone does. You get it?
Return and charge.
Yes. Yes, Evan, yes. No, you're not you don't have to charge the net. They're charging the net. Charge the net. That was called the dead man zone right there, when you stand in between that box. All right, one more. Just what you rotate, yes. We get a total of 4 points and then it rotates. All right, one more. Charge. All right. Well, that was a good exercise. That's called charge the net. You know, once again, this exercise should help you with your serves, your returns, and your volleying. All right. I would like to see a little bit more aggression from Woody and Zach, but it was their first time, so I won't hold it against you. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Hopefully you don't.